Guys, this is some running footage of my Stampede with the rear shocks on it. We are driving in the garden. It's pretty flat. There's no crops in it because we didn't plant anything this year. But let's get to it. As you can see, it's hopping up a lot because it's hitting a bump. Let me see if I can hit the jump from down here so you guys can get a different angle. We can do that. I cannot wait until I get the other ESC in here. That's something I actually have to do. For some reason it'll drive for a little while and then all of a sudden it'll get really slow. I don't know why it is, but I know it's an ESC problem and I want it to be fixed. I hope you guys can tell how much the rear end of this thing bouncing around. There's a patch of dirt here that I'm gonna go flying through. It's really hard to know. Brake. No, nothing's broken. Doing that slow thing again. Again, watch this. This will fix the problem. I go in, turn it off, turn it back on. all of a sudden it's fast again. Don't know why that is. And it's weird because I've used my friend's lipos and it doesn't do them with the lipos. It only does them with the nickel metal hydride packs. And I have no idea why. I have no idea why it does it. I don't know what the ESC is doing. I just know it's doing something. Gotta go get it. Actually, I think that's where I'm gonna wrap this video up. As you can see, it's going over bumps and it's chassis slapping a lot. You can see the rear end's bouncing off the ground. So I'm going to get new shocks for it. I am going to get new shocks for it. At the same time, I've already got the brushless. Oh, what happened there? I think something got caught in the gears or a stick. Something happened. What happened here? Oh, this would explain a few things. That is metal. I don't think that's good for the soil. I need to get this out of here. Anyway, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Also, if you've been noticing that my videos haven't been edited at all, that's because my computer's having issues right now. I don't know why. We're gonna hopefully get it fixed this weekend. But I can't do editing. I can't store files on my computer. All the files that I had on there are now gone. So yeah, it's not fun. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please click that red thumbs up button. It really does help out. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe. And my other videos should be better quality than this. And if you have any ideas for upgrades to do to the Stampede in the future, put them in the comment section below. And as always, this is Wiley Riley, signing out.